In the world of surveillance, DVR, digital video recorder, plays a crucial role. It's the technology that allows CCTV systems to capture, store, and manage video footage. Let's dive into the basics of DVR and its significance in modern security setups. A DVR is a specialized device used in CCTV systems to record video footage from security cameras. Unlike traditional analog recording methods, DVRs digitize and compress video data, making it easier to store and manage large amounts of footage. DVRs work by connecting to multiple CCTV cameras through cables. They receive video signals from these cameras, convert them into digital format, and then compress and store the data on a hard drive. This digital storage method ensures high-quality recording and easy retrieval. DVRs offer several advantages in CCTV camera systems, including extended recording, remote access, search and playback, high-quality recording, and storage efficiency. There are various types of DVRs available in the market, including standalone DVRs, PC-based DVRs, and network video recorders, NVRs. Proper installation and maintenance of DVRs are crucial for their effectiveness. Ensure cameras are positioned correctly, cables are secure, and the DVR's software is up to date. Regularly back up important footage to prevent data loss. In conclusion, DVRs are the backbone of modern CCTV camera systems. They enable efficient video recording, storage, and access, enhancing security and surveillance capabilities. Whether you're protecting your home or business, understanding the basics of DVR technology is essential for effective surveillance.